Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis. India has expedited its various defense deals, procurements and the development and testing of indigenously developed military hardware post the Galwan skirmish between Indian and Chinese forces. In 2021, we are going to see many strategic military arsenals that will be included in Indian armed forces. The list is huge, but in today's video, we are going to talk about top 5 arsenals that will be added into Indian military in 2021. Now to begin with, we'll talk about INS Arighat. INS Arighat is indigenously developed India's second nuclear capable missile submarine, which will join the Indian nuclear triad Sea League this year. INS Arighat has a displacement of 6,000 tons. It can carry 12 K-15 SLBM missiles with a range of 750 kilometers and 4 K4 SLBM missiles with a range of 3,500 kilometers. INS Arighat can cruise at a maximum speed of 12 to 15 nautical miles on the surface of water, and it can achieve the speed of 24 nautical miles while submerged. The second one is P-15B destroyers. It is India's most powerful stealth-guided missile destroyer under development for Indian Navy. It belongs to Visakhapatnam class destroyer, and 4 vessels of this class, Visakhapatnam, Mormugao, Imphal and Porbandar, is being built by Majgaon Dock Limited in India. The first ship is expected to enter service in 2021. The destroyer will have a displacement of 7,300 tons with a speed of 30 knots and a range of 4,000 nautical miles. It will host 4 into 8 cells of Barak 8 air-to-air missiles with a range of 0.5 km to 100 km. It will also host 2 8 cells of BrahMos anti-ship and land attack cruise missiles. It will have 1 BAE 5-inch 62 caliber Mk-45 naval gun and 4 AK-630 close-in weapon system. It will also host 4 533 mm torpedo tubes and 2 RBU 6000 anti-submarine rocket launchers. The destroyer can further host 2 Sea King or HAL Dhruv helicopters. The third arsenal is again from Indian Navy, and it is MH-60R helicopters. It is world's most advanced maritime helicopter developed by Lockheed Martin. It is currently being operated by US Navy and primarily designed for anti-submarine warfare. The helicopter can be armed with 2 torpedoes, Hellfire missiles, advanced precision kill weapons and 7.62 mm machine gun. India's purchase of 24 of these helicopters will replace the aging fleet of Sea King helicopters. Now this helicopter can also be equipped with Sonu buoys, which are again another interesting piece of hardware. When Sonu buoys are dropped from air, it gets deployed in water, and the buoys send submarine information from its hydrophones via UHF and VHF radio to the operators on board on the aircraft or helicopters. The fourth weapon is HAL LCH helicopters. The Indian Air Force is expected to enter into a deal with HAL for an indigenously developed light combat helicopter this year. In the anticipation of the same, HAL has already begun production of 5 new aircraft to be ready by the end of year 2020. The first 15 LCH will be shipped almost immediately. The LCH has a range of 580 kilometers with a service ceiling of 6,500 meters. It has a max speed of 287 km per hour. The LCH has 4 hardpoints that can host rocket pods, 2 rounds of Mistral air-to-air missiles or 4 anti-tank guided missiles. It can host a 20 mm M621 cannon. So the last weapon, the fifth one that we are going to talk about is S-400 Triumph missile defense system. In 2018, India signed a deal of $5.4 billion with Russia to provide S-400 units for Indian Air Force. The supply of S-400 Triumph missile defense is expected this year. Now S-400 is one of the best air defense system developed till date. It can detect a target at a maximum range of 600 kilometers. S-400 missile systems can be fitted with 4 different missiles with a range of 400 kilometers, 250 kilometers, 120 kilometers and 40 kilometers. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We'll be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.